So let's work through this example where a local store is having a sale where all waterproof shoes are 40% off. We know the rain boots normally cost $13.72. Let's start there. Let's find the sale price. I'm going to use our one-step process to find the sale price. And to do that, I'm going to take the original price, $13.72, and I'm going to multiply that by, well, if the waterproof shoes are 40% off, that means I'm taking 100 minus 40%, which is 60%. So we're going to buy the rain boots at 60% of the original cost. Changing that 60% to a decimal, I'm going to multiply by 0.06. Doing that, we get that the sale price is $8.23. Now the price with the tax, we apply tax after any discounts. And this order of operations is very important here. These aren't applied at the same time. We get a sale price, and that sale price, what we are actually paying for the goods, is then what is taxed at 7%. So this price with tax, I'm going to take what I paid for the goods, which is $8.23. I'm going to pay 7% on top of that price. So that's 100 plus 7%, which is 107%. As a decimal, I can write as 1.07. That gets me the price with tax as $8.81. So what you have to be careful of is when you're working with multiple percentages in one problem, you have to be careful of these shifting reference points. The price that I got a discount on, the $13.72, was not the same as the price of which I was taxed, which was the $8.23. So you have to pay attention whenever percentages are combined mathematically, whether they're added together, whether percentages are being averaged. You always have to think about what information are you losing when you combine percentages into one step, one quantity. If you want, you can compare this. So for a comparison, if we thought that we could take the original price of the shoes and apply the discount and the sales tax all at one go, let's see what our answer would have been and see if it's the same. So we got a discount of 40%, which we know in our percentages meant we could subtract 40. But then on top of that, we had a sales tax of 7%, which we know tells us we need to add 7% on top of that price. Overall, that gives us a 67% cost of the rain boots. So then if we take the rain boots cost $13.72 times 0.67, or 67% written as a decimal, we get $9.19. So notice that these two values are not equal. Again, that's because the value that we took the discount off of was the original listing price, the $13.72. But the price that we were taxed on was that discount price. So we changed the value that we were taking percentages of in that step.